Hello, welcome back to Grenada. This weekend I'm spending it at the Crayfish Organic Chocolate Factory, which is pretty much as good as it sounds. I just finished doing a tour of the factory. It's very small, very boutique. They don't produce very much chocolate, but what they do produce is truly exquisite. So from these houses, or mini houses, buildings, they have the fermentation, they have the grinding, other preps for the chocolate. They produce some great stuff. It's being distributed only locally, but they've been so successful that they will be expanding their operations. This is where we're staying. My friend Gina and I, we're in this little house hut. You can cook your own meals here, or you can go to their home where they also cook meals for just, maybe $15 for dinner and $12 for breakfast. This is where I'll be sleeping tonight, underneath the essential mosquito net. We're expecting sad flies and mosquitoes, although the owner of the property has also promised me to expect a lot of bats and geckos, so they're more than welcome to spend the evening with me eating up those sandflies and mosquitoes. And then I hope to rest easy. Shared with an ensuite bathroom, simple, functional, clean, it's all you need. And then step outside and you're back in the forest again. So this is another little piece of paradise, another little interesting place in Grenada. You get a lot of these micro farmers that are popping up producing wonderful crafts and products. So this is definitely a place that I would recommend. Looking forward to sunset, waking up tomorrow morning to a beautiful breakfast, and then heading back to the boat. Hopefully do some sailing soon. All the best to everyone. Wishing you warm winds and wild blessings. Bye-bye.